Okay, chickens, it's time to show them our training. Don't let me down. Good, well done. You get 1 star. Where is the rest? I want the rest. Chickens, I've been training you for this. Well done, that's a good one. Who's next? Chickens, what's wrong with you? Yo, get over here. Lazy ones. Okay, let's go to them. Okay, chickens, assemble. No, some of them do, some of them don't. I've been training them to assemble. Maybe if I move over here. Chickens, assemble. This is the only guy who listens, actually. I'm very proud of you. Well done. Look at those others. Anyway, these are my little chicks. There's 9 of them.